Troubleshooting Gmail sending issues.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue many of us face: Gmail not sending emails. We'll explore the most common reasons behind this problem and provide solutions to get your Gmail back on track.
Is it a connectivity issue?
Often, the simplest reasons can cause major issues. One of the top reasons for Gmail not sending emails is a lack of internet connection. How to fix: 1. Check if you are connected to the internet. 2. Try loading other websites or send a message on a different platform to see if they're working. 3. Restart your router or try connecting to a different network.
Have you reached Gmail sending limits?
Gmail has certain sending limits to prevent abuse. If you send a large number of emails in a short period, Gmail might temporarily block you from sending more. How to fix: 1. Wait for at least 24 hours before trying to send again. 2. Avoid sending a large volume of emails in a short time in the future. 3. Consider using services like Google Workspace if you need higher sending limits.
Is your email being marked as spam?
Sometimes, Gmail might not send your emails because they're flagged as spam due to certain keywords or attachments. How to fix: 1. Refrain from using suspicious phrases or excessive capital letters. 2. Avoid sending multiple similar emails in a short span. 3. Check the attachments for any software or files that might be flagged as malware.
Are there issues with the email recipient?
If an email address is incorrect or no longer in use, Gmail can't send the email to that address. How to fix: 1. Double-check the recipient's email address for any typos. 2. If it bounces back, contact the recipient using another method to verify their email.
Is your Gmail storage full?
Gmail provides a certain storage limit. Once you reach this limit, you won't be able to send or receive emails. How to fix: 1. Clean up your inbox, sent items, and trash folder to free up space. 2. Consider purchasing additional storage if necessary. It's frustrating when Gmail doesn't send emails, but by following the above steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the problem. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you're back to emailing without any issues. Stay connected, and take care.